Hey everybody, Matthew here at Earthworks Gardens, and today I have a friend with me, my large sombrero. I hope you guys like that. I wore it just for you. But I have the Firefly Firebush, and this is a spectacular little shrub that, if you are familiar with its cousin, the regular dwarf firebush, which actually can get like over 10 feet tall, this is a true dwarf. So a much smaller variety of firebush. However, it attracts the hummingbirds, the butterflies, all the beneficial pollinators, and is a lovely addition to any garden if you like to bring in the fluttering friends. So come check it out here at Earthworks. It likes full sun. Once established, does not need a lot of water, but keep it in the full sun so it blooms, and it will do just fine in your garden. So come check out these lovely Firefly dwarf firebush here at Earthworks. Check us out on social media like Instagram, and we have a great YouTube account with a lot of videos about all the plants that we sell, so check them out. We'll see you guys next time.